Hello and welcome to the SupraScoop tutorial for Brand Grow. Brand Grow is a tool to help you grow your brand on Twitter by using our system to follow other Twitter users. We will then monitor who follows you back and automatically unfollow those that don't after 7 days. So without further ado, let's show you how to use the Brand Grow feature. So for Brand Grow, you can find a little leaf anywhere that there is a Twitter result on your SupraScoop campaigns. You can click on this leaf to add this user to your Brand Grow. You can optionally send him a message over here. You can disable it by clicking on that, and if you click yes to add user to Brand Grow, they will go into your Brand Grow dashboard. So let's go look there now. All users that you have followed on Twitter through SupraScoop will appear here in the pending tab. It'll tell you when you followed them and until what time we will track if they followed you back. And after that time has expired in the track until column, we will automatically unfollow them if they haven't followed you back. And you can manually remove them here. And you can also optionally unfollow this person on Twitter. If that is what you choose to do, you can click on the yes button to remove them from your Brand Grow, and in this case also unfollow them on Twitter. Anyone that has followed you back will appear in this table over here, where you can now engage with these people and thank them for following you back, send them promotional materials, give them offers, any such marketing tactics such as that. Thanks for watching the Brand Grow tutorial. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.